masakay ka?
Girl, sa Balaban?
Sir, habalabal ko.
Ah, okay. Do you wanna ride? Go to the city right now.
Dali lagi ko, dali lang ko.
Boss, she not ride with you.
Why? What's the problem? Her face is sound familiar. I am idol of the Philippines right now.
Ayay ka. Ako ra mag-iisa. Wa man nangabot akong mga kauban. Kini, kay solo na ko tanang pasahero. Ala, pasahero oh. Murag buinas tirong adlaw ba?
Oh, there's sa Balaban.
Sir, masakay ka?
Girl, sa Balaban?
Sir, habalabal ko.
Ah, okay. Do you wanna ride?
Patay, English speaking man eh. Unsam ni iyang but pasabot. Sir, masakay ka?
Go to the city right now.
Patay, ko palabot ani oy. City ray pamasahe.
You agree? You agree?
Mo ato siya galigri. Sa aligri, sir?
Hey, lady. Please, double time.
Wala ra ba ko i-reload rin, sir? Sakay ko kasi ano?
You don't understand me?
Basig misunderstand ang motor. Di ko kadaw gani, sir.
Ay, okay. I walk to down the city.
Hey, faster. Where's the terminal over there in the country?
Yes, sir. At the fast forward.
Okay, please bring me there. Okay, let's go.
Sayang nga atong pasayroha, oy. Walang gyud mi nagkasinabot. Kwarta na unta to ba? Hala. Pasayro, duha ka buok. Kini.
Sir, the terminal is direct to the point.
Okay.
Sir, sakay mo? Tara, larga tara yon.
Yes, okay. Please bring me to the medical center. Any kind of process in my health, the problem.
Sir, wag gyud ko kasabot, sir.
My bodyguard, what's talking about this girl problem?
Sir, I know that girl. I translate you.
Okay. What's saying that? Please tell me right now.
Ikaw. Kabalo ka mabisaya dong?
Oo, te. Kabaloy.
Na, aram day na. Sa to yung giingon.
What's talking about? I don't understand. Huh? You want me to? I'm busy every day. Please bring me to the medical center for my body purposes and my problem.
Ano daw to? Ikinastik good.
Ana siya, dalod ako sa ospital. Kaya nasa problema.
Ako dalog ospital. Sa labot na ko siyang problema.
Please said that girl the fastest way to go to the hospital right now at this time 7:30 p.m.
Katuon sa kasabot ako.
Ana siya, ipa-check up daw ka na alas 7 sa gabi eh.
Ma, naman ipa-check up man ko. Nga mo ko'y sakit.
Okay, start the motorcycle and I can ride you.
Sa daw to?
Ana siya, pandaran na daw motor kay sakyan daw kaniya.
Di ko ni paandaro no. Yung kapisakyan niya.
Oh, what problem? Click the motorcycle and I can go there. Now.
Dali lagi ko. Dali lang ko.
Boss, she not ride with you.
Why? What's the problem? Her face is sound familiar. I am idol of the Philippines right now.
Sir, wag yun ko kasabot niyang ipang sulti, sir. Sakay na lang mo glain, sir.
What is talking about this girl?
Boss, try ride with others.
This motorcycle is banned in my mind. Let's go fastest to the city mall of Jing.
Na, bis ako na lang isa. Sa kadagag pasahero, wag yung pinakarga.